Hello students, today we are going to learn about orthographic projections. Learning outcomes are: identify the method of orthographic projections, draw orthographic views of given simple in 2D entities, draw orthographic views from given pictorial views. As we have seen this 3D object, and these are these orthographic projections. The observer is supposed to see from front side, and the views are drawn: front view, top view, and right hand side view. Generally there are 6 principal views as shown in this figure: top side, rear, right side, bottom, front, and left side. You can watch this demo of orthographic projections by clicking on this button. Okay, we will see next. The first method is that glass box method. We are suppose this object we place in the glass box, and the sides of box represent 6 principal planes. The image of the object is projected on each of the plane. So first plane, second plane, third plane, like that 6 planes are there. And things to notice here that the projection of the planes, the projectors, and how surfaces of A, B are projected. As we have seen in this A portion is projected on this top plane, top projection plane, and B portion also projected on this plane. So that gives us the front view of this object. And when we see from this side, we will get the front side on this projection plane. And if the observer is seen by any of the side, left hand side or right hand side, you will obtain this right hand side. When the box is unfolded, which creates the 6 principal views. Generally, the complex part means the more views we have to draw, and simple part we have to draw the less views. Generally, these 3 views you have to draw: front view, top view, and right hand side view, or left hand side. So just think about this object. How many views do we need to completely describe a block? So just see that the 2 views are sufficient to draw this, to describe this object. So that is top view and this front view. Another example is that how many views do we need to completely describe a sphere? So think about this. That is only one view, that is circle. That is only it has only one dimension. Similarly, front view, we have to take this first object. This is our problems, given pictorial view, and we have to draw these projections. So just see how to draw this object. Choose a front view, that which view shows the most of the object. So just think about this again, this object. I can see that this portion from this observer, if is at C, it shows the maximum of this object. So C is the selected front view side. Okay, how many and which views? So we have to draw the 2 views, front and top. So let us see how to draw it. So this is our given object, and this is the front view of this object when seeing from this side. And next step is draw the projectors vertically as well as horizontally to obtain the top view and front view. So draw the top view. We can see this portion from top view, this square, the circle, and dash line shows the slot behind it, right? Next, project back the front view. Again, on front side we can't see this circle, so we have to show it as a hidden lines. These are the dash lines. Next step is draw 45-degree line, that is projector, to obtain this side view, right hand side view. Again, horizontal projection, vertical projection, which will gives us right hand side view, and dash lines for the hidden parts. And whenever center lines also draw, we have to draw when there are circles, arcs, we have to draw it center lines. And this is our completed drawing. This gives the orthographic views of the object. Thank you.